Hello, so in this video I will explain you about what is list comprehension. So in list comprehension is a way to define and create a list. So you can manually create a list by just writing the elements, individual elements, which I explained in the last video. You can have a look on the video in my channel, and please also do not forget to like and subscribe this channel if you are interested in the similar kind of videos. I have more videos on machine learning and data science in R and Python as well, so I will be uploading more and more videos, so please do like and subscribe. So coming back to this list comprehension, this is a way to define and creating a list in Python. Manually you can just write the elements inside just a square bracket, which I explained in the last video. The video name is Python list. You can have a look there, and if you know that how to write a list, then you can have a look on this list comprehension. So say you want to write this list which is written here 0 1 2 3 4 5. You could have written manually, that is very easy, but there are certain cases where you have to dynamically change the elements. So dynamically, I mean to say you can write a function which can create dynamically the elements of the elements of the list, and according to the function which you have provided. Here the elements are very simple, that they are separated by 1, just incremental by 1. So it is very simple. You can use the function range, which say range of 6 means 0 1 2 3 4 5. So let's come back to this list comprehension. So how you will write? You will take the square brackets, then you will write x, or you can write anything. I am taking x for x in range of 6. That means it will iterate through range of 6. Range of 6 means 0 to 5. So it will, within the square bracket, you will get all the elements for x in range of 6. It is saying that take those x which are in range of 6. So it will be like this. So just shift enter gives 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the syntax, x for x in this. Remember this. You could have written anything. You could have written anything you like. Now coming going up a step ahead, say if you want to do some kind of filtering, say you want x for x in range of 6, so you get all the 0 1 2 3 4 5, but you want to say filtering by, say you just want the even numbers. So what you will write ahead, if this x is divisible by 2, so if x mod 2 is equal to 0, this will give 0 2 4. If you would have written here, instead of equal you write not equal to 0, you will get odd numbers. So this is a list comprehension. So you are creating dynamically. So you say you don't have to worry. Say if you write range of say 100, you don't have to worry which are even and which are odd. So you could have written like this, and you will get all the elements. See, all the elements. So dynamically you can create. You could have written much more complicated function, more complicated function. Say you could have written, say x square plus 10 is equal, say x square is equal to say we write 40, say write 25. What it should give? It is only having one element, right? So you can do n number of things here. This is just one of the possibility. I have written x mod 2 is equal to 0. It gives the even number. So now just come back and just do 6, 0 to 4. So these are even numbers from 0 to 5. This is kind of list comprehension. You can just, the main syntax is x for x in this. Then you have, if you need some filtering, you write like this. If this happens, then only give the return back these elements. Now you could have written like this. Instead of x, you could have written x cube, but still you will write for x in range 5. That means for x in range 5 means 0 to 4, take all those values and then cube it. So this list comprehension returns this one, whatever you write here, and it takes the elements x from here for x in whatever you write here. So if you do this, you will get this. So from 0 to 4, first is cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and 4 cube is 64. This is a list comprehension. Now these are list of simple numbers. So you see that they are separated by, only the numbers are separated by commas. So this is a list of simple scalar values or simple numbers. Now you could have written a list of dictionary. If you don't know dictionary, you should have a look on dictionary. I will be uploading the videos on dictionary as well, but if you know, then that's good. So dictionary is nothing, it's just key value pairs. It's something like this: key and this value, comma, key and value. This is one dictionary, another dictionary, third dictionary, and this is list, square bracket. So this is square bracket, this is list, and it is a list of 3 dictionaries. Now what do you want? You want this kind of dictionary. What you will do, you will write like this: A colon I, B this. So you are not varying A, this is just a character value, this is also character, fixed values. You are varying I, and those I will be taken which are in range of 3. So for I in range 3, so if you take 0 to 2, so first element is 0, so it will give A 0, square is also 0, then A 1, and it will be multiplied by 2, and A 2, it will be multiplied by 2. So whatever you take the elements from here and do whatever is written here. Whatever is written here, do, and the element you are iterating over I, you are not iterating over A and B. You could have written anything here, just you need to write what you want in the list here, and select the values of iterative item, that is I, from here for I in whatever. And if you need some condition, you could write ahead by writing if. Got it? So now if you want list of list, that is like this list is always closed by square brackets. So is 1 list, 2 list, 3 list, 4 list, 5 list, and 5 list is covered by, is inside another list. So this is one list of 5 list. One list of 5 list. So this is 0 0 0 makes one list, 1 1 1 makes second list, 2 4 8 that is third list, 3 9 27 one list, 4 16 24 one list. There are 5 lists, and all these 5 lists is inside one list. So this is list of list. Now if say you want this, so each list consists of 3 elements. So I square, I cube. So I square, I cube, and this is first element is 1, first is 0. So 0 0 square 0 cube, 1 1 square 1 cube, 2 2 square 2 cube, so 2 2 square 2 cube, 3 3 square 3 cube, 4 4 square 4 cube. So this is a list of list. So dynamically you are creating this. If you have to create, you have to create a long list and you have to write some complex function, then that is not very easy by doing manually. But by list comprehension, you could have written any function, you could do any kind of filtering by if and all else, and then you will get a desired result. Now similar way, list of tuple is also possible. like just the difference is in tuple you just cover it close it by round brackets instead of square brackets. In dictionary it is by curly brackets, in list it is by square, and in tuple it is by round brackets. So I square, this is the elements, this is the type of elements in the list. So list of tuple, 1 tuple, 2 tuple, 3 tuple, 4 tuple, 5 tuple, the list of 5 tuples. So 0 0 square, 1 1 square, 2 2 square, 3 3 square, 4 4 square, and the syntax is written here, I square. Now say you have created list and you just want to convert into a data frame. Just I am giving it as a additional thing. You just write pd.dataframe L1, it will convert it into a data frame. Okay, so this is how you can convert anything like list of dictionary. You have say this and you want to convert into data frame. See, it is converted into data frame. Okay, so like this is a list comprehension by which you can create any list and then dynamically it can create, and you can do the filtering, and you can then go ahead and use it in your analysis or in any part of your any work. So thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also please have a look on more videos if they are interesting for you. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.